What if I told you this is not just a watch, but a moving piece of art inspired by the solar system itself? At first glance, it might look like a premium luxury timepiece, but the moment you look closer, everything changes. The dial is alive. Gears are rotating, elements are moving, and it feels like you're literally wearing a miniature galaxy on your wrist. This is the Geya Planetary Flywheel mechanical watch, and trust me, it's unlike anything you've seen before in this price range. From its curved glass that adds a bold, futuristic presence, to the visible internal mechanics that give it that high-end skeleton watch vibe, every single detail is designed to grab attention. And here's the crazy part. It's not just about looks. This watch combines both mechanical winding and battery-powered functionality, giving you the best of both worlds. So the real question is this just a beautiful watch, or is it actually worth your money? Let's find out. Hello everyone! Today we're going to talk about the Gaia watch. So first of all, we've got a premium box here. This is the Geya Planetary Flywheel mechanical watch. Let's start with what's inside the box. Right away, we get a small booklet for operation and maintenance instructions. Then there's a watch manual, as you can see here. We also get a warranty card included in the package. Moving on to this side, we have the main watch itself, along with an extra strap. There's a silicone strap included as an extra, which is great. We also get a small screwdriver for adjustments. And finally, here is our main watch. There's nothing else inside the box, so let's put the box aside. Now, taking a look at the dial, it gives off a very unique planetary vibe, almost like our solar system. You can notice an Earth-like design here, along with the main mechanical gear visible on the dial. On this side, there's a blue stone-like element, and of course the time display is integrated beautifully. Inside the dial, there are multiple small rhinestones, which really enhance the premium feel of the watch. The top glass is slightly curved, giving it a bulky yet premium look. If we look from the side, there's a small window that lets you see inside the watch mechanism. This side window is visible from both sides, which is a really nice design touch. The overall finishing looks very impressive. Now on the back side, we have two keys. The smaller one is used for setting the time. The other one is for winding the watch mechanically. This watch actually works in two ways. You can power it by winding the mechanical wheel, or it can also run via battery. To wind it, you simply pull and twist the crown. As you can see, the internal mechanism starts rotating. It looks amazing. Let's try wearing the watch. It comes with a dual lock system. Here's the first lock, and here's the second one on the other side. You can lock it however you prefer for a secure fit. Now let's set the strap properly. This watch is suitable for both casual and formal use. It feels very well crafted and looks great on the wrist. Taking a closer look, you can see the watch has a very premium appearance. The installed strap is an artificial leather strap in a glossy navy blue color. The buckle is also very well designed, with subtle Gaia branding on the metal. Looking again at the dial, it's truly eye-catching. And the backside also has a solid and well-built finish. Another interesting feature, the arc you see here actually rotates along with the watch movement, adding to the dynamic look. If you want to set the time, simply press and hold the button. Then the dial will rotate automatically, allowing you to adjust to your desired time. Once you release it, the watch will go back to normal operation. Now let's quickly talk about the key specifications of this watch. The Geya Planetary Flywheel mechanical watch comes with a unique dual movement system, meaning it can run both mechanically by winding and also through battery support, which is a rare combination in this category. The case is made of high-quality alloy with a premium polished finish, and the dial is protected by a durable, curved mineral glass that enhances both aesthetics and protection. You also get a skeleton-style dial design with visible moving gears and decorative elements, giving it that luxury-inspired look. The strap included is an artificial leather strap, along with an extra silicone strap for more casual use. It features a secure dual lock mechanism, ensuring a comfortable and firm fit on your wrist. The side window and transparent elements add an extra layer of visual appeal, making the watch stand out instantly. Now, coming to the verdict. If you're someone who wants a watch that grabs attention, feels premium, and looks completely different from regular designs, this is definitely worth considering. It's not just about telling time, it's about making a statement. However, if you're looking for a pure luxury mechanical watch with heritage-level precision, this might not fully replace high-end brands. But for the price, design, and features you're getting, it delivers excellent value. So overall, this is a stylish, eye-catching, and feature-packed watch that can easily elevate your everyday look, whether casual or formal. If you liked this video, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and let me know in the comments what you think about this watch. And don't forget to check the link in the description if you're interested in getting one for yourself.